Today I'm going to demonstrate a simple way to add clean, detailed graphics to your leather projects using a vinyl cutter and some edge paint. I found some intricate flower patterns online and then imported these into Silhouette Studio, where I created a trace of the patterns. I then sent this file to my Silhouette Cameo to be cut out on adhesive-backed vinyl. I could then use an X-Acto knife to weed out all the extra little bits of vinyl and create a stencil. I repeated this process to make another stencil for the other side of the wallet. The only real tricky part of this process was transferring the vinyl stencils from their paper backing to the leather wallet itself. Now, I did this using purpose-made transfer tape, but you could just as easily use clear packing tape, which is essentially the same thing. I used leather Edge Kote to print on the graphic, something I already had on hand. Now, this was a bit of an experiment, since Edge Kote is actually formulated to seal the edges of leather, not be applied directly on the grain. However, it ended up working out really well, as you'll see in a few seconds. One thing I love about Edge Kote is how quickly it dries, so I only had to wait about 10 minutes before moving on to the other side. Once the Edge Kote was dry on both sides, I finished the wallet with 2 coats of EcoFlow Super Sheen. I'm really pleasantly surprised with how clean and crisp these prints turned out, and this is definitely something I'm going to use on future leather projects. Check out the rest of my channel for more projects like this one, and thanks for watching.